press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss any of my video.
Hey guys, welcome back on Indian Makeup. And yeah, I might be sounding and looking a little low because I'm not feeling well, and yeah, but I had to shoot. So I'm here right in front of you and it's like 11 o'clock in the night. So yeah, I'm shooting at the night. And yeah, so let's get into the video. So recently I asked a lot of friends of mine that what kind of a face mask you search for, like it should be a skin brightening or skin whitening or blemishes free face pack, or what kind of a face pack you really search for on the internet or you would like to use. So a lot of them replied that we just search for a good skin brightening face mask, and I was like, okay. So I thought of making a really nice and simple skin brightening face mask which actually works, and all the ingredients are natural, organic. So yeah, if you want to know how I make this face mask and is it working or not, and I would be applying it on my face right here in front of you so you could see the results also. So this is my bare face, clean face, nothing is there, only I'm having lip balm because I can't live without my lip balm. So yeah, this is my clean face and you can see it is having no life right now. So yeah, let's get into the video. So for making this skin brightening face mask, obviously you would needing a bowl and a spoon. This is a normal glass bowl just for mixing everything, and then you would be needing some rose water. This is from Khadi. So this is the pure natural rose water. So if you can find the pure natural rose water, just go for it. And if you are not finding it, you can use any rose water you have at your home. And then you would be needing some whole wheat flour. So you can get it at your home. Obviously everybody has whole wheat flour at their home. So I would be using like 1.5 spoon of the whole wheat flour. And now comes the main thing of this face mask. This is the boiled rice water. So everybody has rice at their home. Obviously, like in India, everybody eats rice. So you can just boil the rice like normal. Everybody cooks rice at their home. So when the rice is boiling and when it is almost cooked, you can use the rice water. So I would be first adding a little bit. So I have added 4 spoons, and now I would be adding a spoonful of my rose water. And now I would be mixing it really well. So I would be adding a little amount, I guess 1/4 spoon of my whole wheat flour again, and I would be giving it a nice mix. So yeah, my face mask is ready, and now just let's see how to apply it. So yeah, my face mask is ready, and now I would be applying it on my face, and I would be leaving it around 5-8 minutes. And when my face mask is all dried up, I would be washing it up with the normal regular water, with running water. So I'm applying it with a brush. You can also apply it with a spoon or with your fingers, but make sure if you're applying it with your fingers, your hands are clean. So yeah. So because it has whole wheat flour in it, it gets a little gooey while applying, but it is like that only. But believe me, it would give you amazing results. And You would be seeing the results right after this, because when it gets dried up I would be washing it up and showing you the results. So yes, I would be back. So my face mask has dried up, and as you can see I can't speak because it's like stretching my skin, and if I speak a lot then I would get wrinkles. So yeah, I would be quickly going and washing out my face mask, and I would be right back. So I have washed and dried up my face, and as you can see it is actually looking bright, more brighter than before, and my skin is looking flawless. Actually, there was no life in my skin, and after this face mask I can see, and I hope you guys can see as well, the results are just in front of you. And this face mask actually works, guys. This is the first use of the face mask for myself, and I can assure you, all of you guys, that if you use it thrice a week, it would give you results like this. Your skin would go brighter and more beautiful, more glowing, more youthful. So yeah, I'm just loving my skin right now. It is soft, it is looking flawless, and it is actually looking bright. I'm not saying it is making my skin white, but yes, of course it has made my skin brighter. So yeah, this was the video, and if you like it, please give it a big thumbs up, and also comment below if you want to see some other face packs or some other skin remedy, home remedies, anything. I would love to make such videos for you guys. So yeah, this was all for this video, and I would be winding up my video over here. Bye bye, see ya.